All right, guys, we have some breaking crypto news to talk about in this video. This has a lot to do with the macro. It has a lot to do with what is happening leading up to Q4 as we prepare for what many people believe will be the start of a big bull run and maybe even finally see altcoins put their flag in the ground, plant it there and say, hey, we're here to stay and we're going to show you what we've got, because we've been waiting for altcoin season. But one of the indicators that we look for has to do with USDT. So much of crypto comes back to stable coins, the issuing of stable coins into the market. What this means is liquidity. So recently, in the last 7 days, we have seen $3 billion in USDT printed, which could be very bullish for crypto. Now, in this video, I'm going to break down exactly what this could mean and historically what this has meant for the market and relate it to the market environment that we're in right now. So you're going to want to stick around to the end of the video, because regardless of which cryptos you hold, you need to understand how this works, because it'll give you a leg up as an investor, and you could start tracking some of these metrics that we follow. Now, right here, Kyle Chase says Tether has minted $3 billion in USDT just in the past 7 days, just in the past week alone. He says liquidity is coming in. Price is lagging now, but not for long. We feel like we're kind of in this no man's land consolidation period. But again, historically speaking here, this has been a pretty bullish event. Now, let me explain to you a little bit more about why this is. Now, we mentioned in the past 7 days, Tether has minted $3 billion in USDT tokens. So why? What happens here? Well, these newly minted or created tokens are now then distributed across all the major exchanges. This is how it works. So exchanges like Kraken, OKX, Coinbase, Binance. This influx of USDT on exchanges enhances liquidity to meet increasing demand. So basically what Tether is saying that is going to happen here is demand is going to go higher. You need more liquidity. And particularly, we're seeing it on the Tron blockchain right now. And Tron, by the way, is up 11% right now. There's a lot of hype around Tron meme coins, Sundog and Suncat. But the USD supply on Tron's blockchain has been very low recently. So they're distributing some of that USDT across exchanges and blockchains. Now, the substantial minting of USDT often leads to speculation about upcoming market movements. So this tells us that people are speculating heavily. They're not just saying it, they're doing things. Obviously, many people in the crypto community have been anticipating a potential rally for a little while, and Q4 is usually a big moment into Q1. Now, why does Tether printing impact the market? Why can it impact the market in a positive way? Here's the 3 reasons why. And I'm going to give you guys why Tether printing doesn't always lead to a pump too. So the reasons why Tether printing positively can impact the market, and oftentimes does, is reason number 1, increased liquidity. When Tether issues more USDT, it is typically increasing liquidity in the market because traders and investors use USDT to move in and out of assets without converting it all the way back to fiat. So if high trading is coming, or it's speculated to come, more USDT will be printed. The other reason is market sentiment. And we know the sentiment is growing here. Large issuances of Tether oftentimes suggest, and usually accurately, that a lot more capital is getting ready to come in and enter the crypto space. This obviously leads to positive sentiment from retail and institutional investors and price increases for major cryptos. That's what we're waiting for, the major altcoins to move. Obviously, everything will be led by Bitcoin and Ethereum too, which make up 70% of the market. Now, the other reason how it can impact the market is just purchasing power. Because new issue Tether is just injected in order to buy up assets. It creates buying pressure, driving up prices, leading to a market pump. Now, while Tether printing can be a bullish indicator, it's not a guarantee of a market pump. It depends on how the new issue Tether is utilized, the sentiment, the macroeconomic factors. So we have to put context around this. But what we know here is we're getting ready for an election. The markets usually pump leading up to those moments. But there are 3 reasons why Tether printing doesn't always lead to a pump, and I want to explain those to you too. It could just be neutral transactions. Tether printing doesn't necessarily always mean that new money is going to enter the market. You still need demand for crypto, which I think it's there in this instance. That's just my 2 cents. Obviously, if market conditions, though, this is reason number 2, if market conditions take a major hit, well, even a large injection of USDT could have little to no effect. So if there's some type of black swan event, some reason why Bitcoin and Ethereum crash, and then also regulatory concerns, fear of regulatory action or skepticism about Tether's reserves could dampen positive effects of Tether printing. But I think we've moved on from that instance because we've been shown Tether's reserves somewhat recently within the last year, which has definitely calmed some nerves within the crypto community. Now, if we take a look at the overall market, some of our top gainers, Tron is up there, Polygon, BitTorrent. Overall, though, market's down because Bitcoin and Ethereum are down right now. So again, we're relatively flat, but there's a lot of signs that things could be brewing here. Again, as $3 billion worth of Tether has been printed in the last 7 days, I think this is gearing up for a mega bull run. At least that's what they think in doing this. Okay, so this is just one of the reasons why I'm very excited about Q4 into Q1. So this has been your major crypto news, breaking crypto news story for you guys. I appreciate you guys for watching the video. If you're interested in trading with me, XT Algo is my trading indicator. It is the best indicator on the market right now. You could sign up. It's a 30-day money-back guarantee. You're going to absolutely love what we've got for you. Full refund after 30 days if you don't like it. But I walk you through how to use this for a little over $1 a day. This pricing is slashed by 21% when you use the discount code XT, which is linked down below in the description, guys. I appreciate each and every one of you guys for watching this video. Let me know your thoughts down below. Don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe here on your way out. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.